See about the tympanic membrane. See about tympanic membrane. The synonyms. Synonym means another names. Synonyms are that is the eardrum. It is in the general English. It is called eardrum. In general English, it is also called as eardrum and myrangia. And myrangia in the Greek or Latin word, it is myrangia. Tympanic membrane is also called as eardrum in the general English, in the literature English or other English. But myrangia is a Greek or Latin word. Today we will see about the anatomy of tympanic membrane. Tympanic membrane, it is the definition. What is the definition of the tympanic membrane? It is the translucent, a translucent thin membrane, a translucent thin membrane forming a partition between, it forms a partition between, external acoustic meatus and middle ear. It is the thin translucent membrane. Tympanic membrane is the thin translucent membrane forming a partition between the external acoustic meatus and middle ear. It is regarding the definition of the external acoustic meatus. Now we will see the shape, size and its position. We will see the shape, size and position of the tympanic membrane. It is the oval in shape. It is oval shape and it is 9 to 10 mm. Its size is 9 to 10 mm. It is situated obliquely at 55-degree position. Is it clear? The tympanic membrane is a oval shape. Its position is 9 to 10 mm. It is obliquely situated at the degree of 55-degree position. 55-degree position with the floor of meatus. floor of meatus. It is directed forwards. It is directed downwards. It is directed downwards, forwards, and laterally. It is directed downwards, forwards. It is directed downwards, forwards, and laterally. It is oval in shape, 9 to 10 millimicron. Length and breadth is 9 to 10 mm. It is situated obliquely at the angle of 55 degree with the floor of meatus. It is directed downwards, forwards, and laterally. Now we will see about the peripheral arrangement. Peripheral arrangement of the tympanic membrane. The circumference is thickened. The circumference is thickened. The peripherally, it is the thickened circumference fixed at the tympanic plate. It is fixed at the tympanic plate of the sulcus. Tympanic sulcus. Fixed at the tympanic sulcus. Fixed at the tympanic sulcus. At the time of tympanic ring of the, which is the tympanic ring of the fetus. Tympanic ring of the fetus. Sulcus is nothing but the tympanic ring of the fetus. The peripheral is highly thicker tympanic sulcus. Tympanic sulcus. Superiorly, see here the schematic diagram I am going to draw. Superiorly, it is the deficient. Superiorly, it is deficient. Superiorly, it is deficient where the membrane is attached to the tympanic notch. Attached to the tympanic. Superiorly, it is deficient attached to the tympanic notch. Attached to the tympanic notch. From the end of the two surfaces. From the end of the two surfaces, that is, two folds are formed here. Two bands, two folds. Anterior malleolar fold. Anterior malleolar fold. And posterior malleolar fold. Anterior malleolar fold are here. Anteriorly, it is the deficient. It is deficient superiorly. Superiorly, it is deficient attached to the tympanic notch, and there is two bands. Two bands form the anterior wall and posterior wall. Anterior malleolar fold. Anterior malleolar fold. It forms anterior malleolar fold and posterior malleolar fold. Anterior malleolar fold and